damage on the nose is worse than expected. Look at...
Check out the hydraulics. They're unrecognizable. This whole structure is black with corrosion.
We need to follow the schematic exactly. The cut line goes here.
All right, extending the chalk line now.
Slowly engage the press now.
Pressure engaging. It's seated correctly.
Pressure test complete, holding steady at 500 psi.
Looks good. Let's tag it.
Extension and retraction are smooth.
Confirmed. The checklist is complete.
Check the alignment on that stringer. Looks good from here, send it.
The developer looks clean on this weld. Confirmed. No red bleed back, structurally sound.
Check the diagonal from the center line.
Yeah. Looks good. Hold it steady while I buck this one.
Check the marker, does that align?
Looks good.
Starting the klecos now.
A little more to the left on that forward edge.
Right here.
Okay, I'm starting the klecos on this line.
How's the alignment on your side? Looks flush. The straight edge checks out.
All right, I'm putting the last klecos in now.
Okay, easy now. Set it in place.
Pass the klecko gun, let's lock it down before the sealant sets.
See that spot just above the wing joint?
Got it. Mixing the hardener now, almost uniform.
Okay, lift it slightly on your end. How's that look? Perfect. Push it in until it clicks.
Easy now, watch the corner panel.
Clear. Bring it back slowly.
Okay, torque wrench ready. 2 clicks on the floor mounts.
Torque set.
Alignment looks good. Door swings smoothly.
Perfect fit. Perfect fit.
I'm bringing the pressure up now. Keep an eye on those fittings.
Holding strong. No drips, no bubbles. System is good to go.
Okay, that one clicked in. How's the schematic look?
Good. Check continuity on the
Overhead bus.
Reading nominal.
Okay, tighten the clamp down firmly.
It's secure. Now for the foil tape.
Start the wrap there, ensure a tight seal. Unit is seated in the rack.
Here's the connector. Listen for the click.
Secured.
Make sure the wiring harness is clear before we bolt it down.
Roger that. I'm starting the torque sequence now.
Torque to spec. How are the pedals?
Adjusted. Go ahead and check the travel.
Full left, full right, and clear. Pulling the lanyard now. Hear the hiss?
Confirmed. System operational.
Bring it down slowly, right there. We're on the track. Good, it's locked, solid.
Okay, it's locked.
Give it the shake test.
Fully engaged, sir. Are the screws tight enough? Yes, I used the power driver. It extends smoothly. Perfect, stow it away.
Okay, it's sliding in now. Did you hear the click?
Yes, sounds secure. That's the roll. Go ahead and test the roller. Fasteners are tight. Go ahead and power it up.
Switching it on now.
Perfect, we have a menu.
Ready for the power check.
Activating the circuit now. Stand by for bright light.
Torque is set on the bolts. Wiring secured in the conduit.
Okay, power up the taxi light circuit.
Clear beam, proper aim. Looks good.
Applying ground power now. Check the alignment.
Roger that. Beams are precisely on the markers.
Left navigation light, right navigation light, tail position light illuminated, beacon rotating, strobe flashing, landing lights on.
Easy now, watch the clearance on the flange.
Clear on this side, ready for bolts.
All right, starting the top one now.
Fuel line B-nut is tight. Hand me the torque wrench for the bleed air clamp.
Here.
Did you adjust the throttle cable travel yet?
Torque looking good on the primaries.
Okay, let's move to the fuel lines.
I've got the electrical harnesses ready.
Flow is steady at 200 liters per minute.
Gauges are rising, looking good here.
Ground power tire connected, hydraulic pressure green, flight controls check, clear for engine start.
Hydraulic pressure steady, no decay.
Electrical loads engaged, output is nominal.
Recorded. Oxygen pressure checks good. Final sign off.
The exterior inspection is complete. No discrepancies noted after cleaning.
Here is the logbook.
Slow and steady, watch the left wing. Right side is keep it straight, slow and steady. Clear on the left side, coming out now.